Hey guys, want to know how to download Java 17 on your PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, in order to download Java, you have to go to Oracle's official website. So you can either type in oracle.com and sort out for Java 17. But if you don't want that hassle, just simply type in Java 17 download. Now, select the first link right here, which directs you to oracle.com. Now right here there is description given about Java SE 17. Now scroll down until you see your operating system, maybe Linux, Mac or Windows. For me it's Windows, and on the Windows as well you can see various options, maybe Archive, Installer or MS Installer. For easiness I'd recommend you to select Installer. And that's it. Now your installer has been started to download. Now once the installer is installed and you have installed with the setup, what you can do is hit towards the start button and then sort up CMD. Now right click on it and select Run as administrator. Now simply type in Java version. This will prompt you the version. So make sure instead of Java version 1.8 you should be version 17. And that's it. If that appears, congratulations, you have successfully installed Java 17. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.